Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the stairs so the paper lays flat. Remove trim and clean surfaces. This prevents bubbles and uneven seams. Next, measure every riser and tread. Stairs vary, so record each dimension rather than assuming uniform size. Once done, transfer those measurements to your wallpaper and cut strips with a 1/2 extra to tuck under nosing and overhang at the top. Make sure to label each strip for its specific step, so you avoid mismatched patterns later. You now handle adhesive and alignment carefully because mistakes are obvious on stairs. Mix and apply the adhesive as the wallpaper manufacturer advises. Some papers require paste the paper, others need pre-pasting. Once done, start with the top step so gravity works for you and align the pattern with already installed strips on the landing. This keeps a continuous visual flow. Then smooth from the center outward to expel air, and tuck the excess into the nosing with a flexible spatula, so edges are. You finish by trimming and securing seams for a professional look. Use a fresh blade to trim excess at top and bottom, then reinstall any removed trim and press seams firmly to bond. Once done, roll seams gently and respect the adhesive cure time before heavy use so seams don't separate. If a bubble or lift appears, don't panic. Lift the nearest edge, reapply adhesive, or for small trapped air, use a venting needle to pierce and smooth. That prevents ripping and keeps your pattern continuous.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.